Today you are going to get access this video relevant to how to run a campaign for in Google search engine. Like try to by creating the Google account, you can do this campaign. This is the step-by-step procedure. What I follow, it works for me. Follow this, then you can run the campaign. So it's very good process. I'll let you know each and everything by step by process. It works for 2019 and beyond. Now, do first thing is try to create a Google account and log into Google Ads account, and just within the home page right corner you will click on the tools. There you will find keyword planner. Click on the keyword planner button. There you can choose the keywords relevance to your business, relevance to your target audience, and add those keywords. The keywords nothing but broad, phrase matches and exact match keywords. So we can add those keywords into ad groups. Make sure each and every ad group it should be 5 to 20 keywords. Minimum is 5, maximum 20. Then another tip is select the goal for your campaign. Go to the home page. Then click on the campaign button. Then it shows you try to create a new campaign. There you can select the campaign. Try to make sure what kind of goal the client is looking for, either sales or the leads or website traffic or product awareness or the brand awareness, and either the ad promotion. Then another tip is choose the campaign type and what type of campaign they are looking for, like search, display, shopping and video. Then choosing that. Then another tip is choose subtypes of campaign. It displays the option at the bottom line what subtypes of campaign, like website visitors subtype, or phone calls and app downloads you are looking for that campaign type. And another tip is select start date to end date of that campaign. From which date to which date you want to start the campaign, you can run the campaign from which date to which date. So, and try to add the campaign URL. There it shows you how to add the campaign URL, and dynamic search ad settings also it will enable. And finally, one more tip is select the location. Either you want to target the locality or you want to exclude the locality. You can easily select. And another thing is select the language. In language settings it shows which language, either English, Hindi, Telugu and Marathi, whatever the language you are looking for, you can exclude or include the language. And one more option is select the audience and what is the interest and what is the behavior. And one more thing is select the budget per day he is looking for the client, how much he is willing to, either standard or accelerated, you can choose that method, is delivery method. And select the bidding strategies. Like bidding, there are many type of bidding strategies. This is the major thing you have to choose for your business, for your client. Like a bidding strategy is target search page location, or target cost per acquisition, target ROS, target outranking share and maximum clicks and maximum conversions, and enhanced cost per click. Like nothing but cost per click, enhanced cost per click, cost per acquisition, cost per mile is nothing but cost per 1,000 impressions, cost per click, and the enhanced cost per click. This is relevant to the traffic towards a website, either clicks or the leads towards your website. And cost per acquisition is nothing but impressions towards a website. For this we use for the brand awareness. Cost per acquisition, cost per mile or cost per 1,000, we use these terms for the brand awareness. And whereas cost per click, enhanced cost per click, we use these terms for leads or traffic towards the website. And one more thing is make sure the ad has been scheduled, like conversions and ad rotations. And another option is ad extension. We can add many ad extensions like site link, call out and call extension towards your page or the service. And click on the next, another option is click on to set up a ad groups. So this is another stage in the Google Ads account. So try to add the keywords relevant to your business, the broad, phrase, exact, mode, and this kind of search you have to make. And for each and every ad group, try to create an ad group for those keywords, 5 to 20 keywords. Then you can run the ad and create the ads. Now it moves to, click on the continue button, it moves to another page. There one of the biggest tasks is here you will create our ad preview. Nothing but the look and feel of the ad, what are the things we have to include. Like create ad, click on the create ads, there H1 tag, H1 tag, H2 tag, URL, display URL and description. So here we can add two headers, like each header will be 30 characters. And whereas the description 90 characters, we can add two descriptions for each ad. So finally, last tip is confirmation. You have to confirm your ad from the date it shows you in the screen which date and how much budget and what is the bidding strategy and which locality and which location and what is the goal we made. The complete thing in the final confirmation tab and display it shows you. So this is how we have to run a Google Ads campaign. So finally work for this and has been working for me. Try yourself, it works for you. Thank you.